Ricardo juice bar channel. Anyway, drink this rice church today, guys, and tell me in the description box what happened. Get quarter piece of a cucumber. Make it first thing in the morning before your breakfast, so too much water is inside of this. Alright? Make it before you go to work and bring it with you to work. Put some cucumber inside of the water like this. Get a medium sized carrot and wash it off. Really good. Straight in the water like that. Get half of a lemon with the seed and everything. And put it straight inside of the water, just like that, guys. Then hold on the first. I think I have a little bit more water. Lovely and nice. And then detox your body. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so what you can do also, you can pop a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Just a tiny bit of apple cider vinegar, not much. Yeah, lovely. Yep, nice and lovely. If anyone asks you where you get this recipe, tell them on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Carrot water for detoxing your body, guys. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. Subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Leave that in the bottle for at least 5 to 6 hours before you drink it. This can help you to detox your body, lose weight, and do a big man function inside of you, guys. It's just amazing. We all know that carrot can help to lose weight. The cucumber, the lemon, and the apple cider vinegar mix up in all in one in that water. Just imagine what that can do at home. Get that shape when you're searching for, that look, that, you know what I mean? Do not waste your money, guys. Natural ingredients do work at home. It's just you have to just know what to do. Eat healthy and detox your body, clean your immune system, clean your liver, clean your, you know what I mean? Just clean out your immune system, guys. Can't go wrong. Alright? Here it is. Carrot water with cucumber and lemon and apple cider vinegar. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get Chef Ricardo recipe then. Leave it for 6 hours in the water and drink it after. See you next time. Bye bye.